This is what it's all about, isn't it? Bringing your hero, your world, to life. That clash of steel, the roar of a dragon, it all just hits different when you can just see it unfold right there on your table. But let's be real, getting started can feel intimidating. It looks complicated, maybe a little expensive, and definitely time consuming. You walk into a game store and see these endless walls of paints, tools that look like they belong in a surgeon's office, and galleries of minis that look like tiny masterpieces. Where do you even begin? Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be like that at all. And in this video, I'm giving you the ultimate beginner guide to D&D minis. We'll cover everything from choosing your very first hero to painting it like a pro, all with simple step-by-step process that anyone can nail. Let's jump in. First thing first, you need a mini. You basically got two main paths, unpainted or pre-painted. Pre-painted minis, like the ones from WizKids, are incredible for getting monsters on the table fast. They're perfect for DMs who need a horde of goblins, or a big scary owlbear like right now. But if you're a player, you'll probably want to go with an unpainted miniature. This is your chance to create a hero that is 100% yours. Brands like Reaper Miniatures and WizKids are the best place to start. They're affordable and you can find them almost anywhere, and they have a massive variety of heroes and monsters. Plus, WizKids minis even come pre-painted, which is a huge time saver for new painters. Just remember that your needs as a player are different from a DM's. A player just needs that one perfect hero. A DM, on the other hand, needs a growing army of common monsters. Start by grabbing your character, maybe a few classic baddies like orcs, goblins, skeletons, and hey, if you're on a tight budget, don't sweat it. Paper standees or tokens are fantastic, cheap way to fill out your battlefield. Okay, you've got your mini. Let's talk gear. It's easy to get lost in the sea of paints and tools out there, but you don't need to buy the whole store to get started. Honestly, you only need the bare essential, a few acrylic paints, a can of primer, and one or two good brushes. The easiest way to grab all this is with a beginner set. I personally started with a paint set from Warhammer with 6 paints, 1 brush and 3 minis. Another great option is one of the army painter sets, which give you a solid range of color and a brush right off the box. The most important part is to select the colors you want to paint with and then search for a set that has them. Once you get comfortable, you can start leveling up your toolkit with things like a wet palette to keep your paint fresh, or a mini holder if you keep needing one. But for now, a simple starter kit is all you need to turn that grey plastic into a fully painted hero. Alright, this is where the magic happens. We're going to break this down into super simple steps. First up, the prep and prime step. Before the single drop of paint touches that mini, you've got to prep it. Just give it a quick wash with some gentle soap and water to get rid of any dust or oils from the factory. Once it's completely dry, it's time to prime. Primer is just a special paint that helps all the other colors stick to the model. A smooth even coat of black, white or gray is the best foundation for a killer painter job. Next step is base coating. This is where you lay down your main colors. The best trick here is to paint from the inside out. That means starting with the deepest layers like skin and then working your way out to the shirt, armor and finally the cloak. This little tip helps you avoid messing up spots you've already finished. Just focus on applying thin, even coats. Don't worry about perfection yet. And that's it. From a simple piece of grey plastic to a hero ready for the tabletop. And hey, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, you're ready to bring your adventures to life in a whole new way. Now, you can stop there or go on with my favorite part, the magic of washes. Washes, sometimes called shades, are super thin paints that are designed to flow into all the little cracks and creases of your minis. Seriously, applying a wash is a single easiest way to add instant depth and shadow. It's like a magic trick that makes every little detail pop. After the wash, you can go on with the next step, the dry brush and highlights. This sounds technical, but I promise it's incredibly easy. Take an old brush, get a tiny bit of a lighter color paint on a bristles, and then wipe almost all of it on a paper towel. Then just lightly flick the brush over the raised surfaces of your mini. This technique catches all the sharp edges and high points, creating instant natural looking highlights. And the final touch, if you wish to do it, is sealing and protecting. You just put all this work, so let's make sure it lasts. A quick coat of a matte varnish or sealant will protect your mini from chipping and getting worn down during gameplay. It ensures your hero will look amazing for many adventures to come. This is a journey, and your first miniature is just the beginning. We covered how to choose your mini, what basic gear you need, and a simple 5-step process to get your painting today. And let me know down in the comments, what's the first character you're going to paint? Happy painting!